Okay, so we have an idea for the internet today. We're gonna do the most affordable skate park you've ever seen in the 21st century and the cheapest skate outfit that I've ever been able to come up with. I don't think you're gonna be able to top this. It's pretty fucking good.
This is the skate park right here. I don't know if it's gonna turn out great. So the hat is not necessarily part of the outfit, it's just a little cold. And I also have my undershirt underneath here. It's also just a little cold, so very dirt cheap. I don't remember the exact price off the top of my head. The pants are also from H&M. Some nice stance socks I got from Marshall. This is a 3-tier cubicle. Oh, there's a whiteboard. I got these from someone who was throwing them out at the dumpster.
Making music, I am no beginner. Hit the stage and get wild. My brainiac's loud. Call me 007 because I'm born with the crowd. You shine like a star, but I sun it. 50, keep it 100. Homie, you know I run it. The game need change and logic can break 100. I had a shorty to bun it until she didn't want it, so I focused on the flow and it.
Wow.
Got all the black bitches mad cause my main bitch Vanilla, she tryna get her groove back like Stella. Grab.
Yeah. What's your rip? Small town kid with the biggest dreams on another level while these bitches playing Little League. Titty boy mindset, you know we thinking differently. Did this from the bedroom to the industry. I was staying up all night cooking. Now the women with me all porn star looking. They just talking to their breath cause I know y'all pussy. We just play it like the pros cause I know y'all rookies. Woo! Added more shit onto my checklist. Up all night until McDonald's.
Since she's